Welcome to my ultimate home transformation video. Today, I'm taking on a unique challenge, transforming my entire home using only products from Temu. These affordable finds will elevate your space and show you that a stunning home makeover doesn't have to cost a fortune. Let's dive right in.
Also, if you want $1,000 into your Cash App, PayPal, or gift card, then try out leveluptask.com. You will be able to get $1,000 for completing a very simple questionnaire, and you can use this money to buy whatever you want after. But it's simple and will not take long at all. It's a great way to get tons of money, so you can afford presents or buy yourself stuff as well. I just did it myself, and you can see it worked. As you can see, I did it multiple times by also making my parents do it and my brother. So we each got $1,000 for signing up. So if you want to try it, just scan QR code with your phone and get started now.
First on the list is the 7,000 lumens portable mini projector. This device is a total game changer for creating a home theater experience. With support for 4K resolution, it delivers crisp, vibrant visuals perfect for movie nights, gaming, or even creating a cozy ambiance for gatherings. The dual Wi-Fi feature means you can easily mirror your phone or laptop screen without complicated setups. I love how compact and portable it is. You can set it up in the living room, bedroom, or even outdoors for a backyard movie night. Plus, the sleek design blends seamlessly into any room. This projector instantly adds a fun, luxurious vibe to your home, and it's incredibly budget-friendly. Next up is a must-have for anyone working or studying from home: the adjustable height electric sit-up desk. This desk is designed with ergonomics in mind, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing effortlessly. It's perfect for long work days, helping improve posture and reduce fatigue. The large surface area provides ample space for your laptop, monitors, and accessories, while the modern design fits beautifully in any home office or creative workspace. I can confidently say that this desk has transformed how I work, making it easier to stay productive and comfortable throughout the day. Let's talk storage. The tall fabric storage tower with a wooden top is one of my favorite additions to the home. It's ideal for organizing smaller spaces like closets, entryways, or kids' rooms. The fabric drawers are durable and spacious enough to store everything from toys to seasonal clothing. The wooden top adds a touch of elegance, making it more than just a functional piece. It's also a stylish accent for your home. This storage tower helped me declutter my entryway while maintaining a clean and polished look. For outdoor storage, I added the 10x8 FT metal storage shed. This is a total lifesaver for anyone with a garden or patio. It's waterproof, weatherproof, and features lockable French doors for added security. I use it to store tools, gardening equipment, and outdoor furniture. The size is perfect. Not too bulky, but large enough to keep everything organized. Plus, its durable construction ensures it will last for years, making it a smart investment for any homeowner looking to tidy up their outdoor space. Back inside, I tackled my basement with the 2000 lbs heavy-duty 5-tier metal shelving unit. This shelving unit is perfect for storing bulk groceries, tools, or household items. It's fully adjustable, allowing you to customize it to fit your needs. The heavy-duty build means you don't have to worry about overloading it, and it's surprisingly easy to assemble. This shelving unit made my basement feel twice as spacious, and the clean, minimalist design ensures it doesn't look out of place. Home security was also on my list, and the 2-door knob smart keypad door lock set is a game changer. This keyless entry system is not only convenient, but also incredibly secure. With up to 100 programmable codes, an anti-peeking password feature, and an auto-lock function, it's perfect for families or anyone who wants to upgrade their home security. Installation was a breeze, and it instantly made me feel safer in my home. Plus, the modern design adds a sleek touch to my doors. In the bathroom, I upgraded to the high-pressure rainfall shower head combo. This set includes both a rainfall shower head and a handheld attachment, offering 9 adjustable settings for a spa-like experience. The 11-inch extension arm ensures you can customize the height and angle to your preference. The water pressure feels amazing, and the design is both modern and elegant. This small upgrade made my bathroom feel like a luxury hotel suite. The living room got a major facelift with the peel and stick wood grain vinyl plank flooring kit. These self-adhesive tiles are waterproof, durable, and incredibly easy to install. They transformed my floors with a rich wood grain finish that looks just like real hardwood. This is the perfect solution for anyone wanting to upgrade their floors on a budget. Whether you're redoing your bedroom, living room, or hallway, these vinyl planks are an absolute game changer. I also added an arched full-length mirror to my bedroom. This mirror is stunning. It has a thin aluminum alloy frame that's both elegant and modern. You can hang it, lean it against the wall, or use the stand for a freestanding option. It instantly makes the room feel brighter and more spacious, while doubling as a functional piece for outfit checks. If you're looking to elevate your space, this mirror is a must-have. Under the kitchen sink, I installed the multi-function countertop storage rack. This compact unit includes a dish tray and drain, making it perfect for organizing dishes, cleaning supplies, or pantry items. It fits perfectly in small spaces, and the durable design ensures it will hold up to daily use. This simple addition keeps my kitchen looking neat and functional. For the walls, I used the 3D wall tile stickers. These brick pattern foam tiles are self-adhesive, waterproof, and incredibly easy to apply. They instantly added texture and character to my walls, giving my kitchen and living room a fresh, modern look. If you want to revamp your walls without committing to major renovations, these tiles are the perfect solution. In the bathroom, I added a compact bathroom trash can. It's small enough to fit in tight spaces, but still holds plenty of waste. The built-in handles make it easy to move and clean, and the minimalist design complements any bathroom decor. It's a simple yet practical upgrade that makes a big difference. For gaming and work, I upgraded to the ultimate gaming throne. This ergonomic chair features lumbar support, adjustable height, and flip-up armrests. The PU leather finish is stylish and durable, and the chair is designed for hours of comfort. Whether you're working from home or gaming with friends, this chair is the perfect addition to your setup. In the entryway, I added the multi-functional metal coat rack. This piece combines a coat rack, shoe storage, and extra hooks for bags or accessories. The design is sleek and space-saving, making it ideal for small spaces. It's a functional yet stylish solution that keeps my entryway tidy and organized. For my bedroom, I included a nightstand with charging station and LED light. This side table has fabric drawers for storage, USB ports, and outlets for charging devices. The LED light adds a modern touch, making it both functional and stylish. It's perfect for keeping everything you need at arm's reach while adding a bit of tech-savvy flair to your room. The living room got another upgrade with a vintage lift-top coffee table. The lift-top feature is perfect for working or dining, and the hidden storage compartments keep clutter out of sight. The wood finish gives it a rustic yet modern vibe, making it the centerpiece of my living space. For clothing storage, I added an extra-large portable closet organizer. It's quick to assemble, sturdy, and offers plenty of space for clothes, shoes, and accessories. The collapsible design makes it easy to move or store, making it ideal for small apartments or guest rooms. Finally, I completed my kitchen makeover with a set of PU leather bar stools. These adjustable swivel stools are perfect for my counter space, offering both comfort and style. The sleek design and high-quality materials make them perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying meals at the counter. And there you have it. A complete home transformation using only Temu products. These affordable finds have taken my home to the next level, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to create your dream space. If you're looking to revamp your home, check out the links below to shop these incredible products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.